Hello guys, today, more like tonight, we're playing White Noise Online. It's going to be so spooky. Probably won't even jump once. Stock cave. I'll probably even poo myself on it. Right, I'm going to play Nightmare difficulty. Oh, that's a lot of characters. Oh. That's good. That character's the best. So basically, I'm on Nightmare difficulty, playing as a random character on a random map. So I'm Sarah, and I need to find the tape recorders. Ooh, I'm so scared. No, but really, basically, all you have to do in the comments, if you want me to play a game, just say it. I'll probably play it. It can be on the computer, Xbox, but just don't make me pay for it. Well, I'll just suggest some on Xbox, because I might have it. I have quite a few indie games. And I'd even do Minecraft if you wanted me to. So yeah, this is so spooky. So spooky. Oh, it's a river! Petrified it's a river. Oh, I just hate them rivers. They get me, them high-tech graphics. Oh no! Oh no! Help! I'm so scared! Help! I'm so scared! I've wet myself, I'm so scared! Oh my god. That was too spooky for me. Too spooky for me. I'm never playing this game again. It's too spooky. I'm just kidding. I will try and complete it for you guys. I'll do it for you on Nightmare difficulty. Three, 2, 1. I've just been on that map. I hate being slow, so I'm going to look at a fast guy. Who's got the most speed? I'm going to play as him. So it's just a little indie game what you can get for like 69p. And it's meant to be spooky, but it's not spooky. Like, you have to be a 5-year-old to get scared of this. Like people say Slender's scary. Like, what is he gonna do to you? He only has tentacles, and all you have to do is go into a room with a low ceiling. What is he gonna do? Low ceiling. What is he gonna do? He's a giant. How is he meant to fit in there? Then you've got this guy. This guy just teeth. He has a mouth, so yeah, you better be scared of him. He can bite you. But again, they only come out in the dark. Who walks around in the dark? Games, they have no logical. And why are you by yourself? Why are you by yourself? Yes, I know you can play online, but why are you by yourself? That's a no-no. I'm so scared. I want to touch it. Look. Ah, I'm so scared. I think this was actually just get money quick scheme. Come on. We can do this, it's so scary. Yeah, I'll be back once the game started. Right guys, I'm back. I'm with a guy. I'm with this beast. I'm like gonna follow him, and he like, if he get raped and I get raped by the big white guy, and yeah, sorry, I meant to keep it PG, even though this game is obviously not PG. Oh, Area 51, we all know what's going on here. They have totem poles. They've got totem poles. They call this running, but I don't call it running. I got scared because that totem pole was mad at me. He's got a flashlight, so do I. With exploring a bunker, I don't know why. It's Area 51. There's very, very weird books, and we're in a spooky library. Yeah, this is Area 51. I lost me mate. He's probably got eaten by a big white guy. I'm very scared now because I'm in Area 51. Someone got one of them tape things because it's Area 51. Yeah, that's the Area 51 rap by Eerie Gamer. I never got why people get scared from this. Like, I get it, it's quite fun, it could be spooky, but it just hasn't got the spookiness for me. Like, yeah, it's okay, they probably tried the hardest, but like, it's not a really good game, I'd say. I'd say it's decent, not the best. It's like, it's what you'd buy for a joke with your friends. That's the only way how I can explain it. You'd buy it for a joke. It's like Goat Simulator of the horror games. You'd buy it just so you could tell your friends I've got it. Like, you don't buy Goat Simulator to play Goat Simulator. You buy it to tell your friends I've got Goat Simulator. So basically it's kind of a review on the game. It was okay, yeah. I can't be arsed with it anymore, so I hope you liked the game, and goodbye.